I was just going through the wasteland called Twitter and I came across a new tweet from OpenAI that their new model is released. Now, this is not a surprise because they already said 12 days, 12 streams, but I still managed to miss it. So, let's talk about it. I have some thoughts. So, first of all, this is the main blog post that they have. So, as you can see, they have a new model, actually, two. We had access to O1 preview, but now we have like O1 and O1 Pro model. So O1 seems to be much better than like O1 preview in most of them, except like maybe this. O1 and O1 preview are quite similar because they are probably the same model. So here they mention the main difference between O1 and O1 Pro, which is that they only accept an answer from O1 Pro if the model gives the right answer 4 times, which is to combat like hallucinations and so on. But the main thing is that changed is the pricing. So now we have a new tier that is like $200, but previously we only had like this one. So the plus one, $20 per month, and we got access to the latest and greatest model from OpenAI. But now, if you want to get access to the O1 Pro model, it's only available for the $200 plan. If you still want to stick with the plus subscription, then like you get limited access to O1. So yeah, I guess that's something to keep in mind. I think we are going to see this trend, especially if this Pro tier becomes really popular, which it might. I think this is just testing the water. So the O1 Pro, for the most part, they mention it down there that like it's more for the research and so on. So yeah, and it's like slower. So that's one reason to use O1 other than O1 Pro. But anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And I'll see you like hopefully tomorrow so I don't miss this one.